Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before I get started, I'd like to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. Technical indicators are not accurate 100% of the time. The fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than we'd expect based on technical indicators. My goal is to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. So if you plan on investing, please do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. And with that out of the way, today we're going to take a look at Block. Ticker symbol is SQ based on the fact that the company used to be called Square. And this is going to be a shorting opportunity. And I feel like I need to note that buying opportunities in the runaway bull freight train market we've had recently have been harder and harder to find. But I'm still keeping my eye out for them. In the meantime, as you probably know, you can make money both ways. So shorting a company or buying fair call spreads is an excellent way to turn a profit when things are becoming bearish. In any case, Block is a large cap fintech company. The market cap right around $48 billion. And here we are on Block's charts. We have the annual chart here. As you can see, that there has been a nice run up over the last few weeks, pushing higher and higher above all moving averages. And we finally posted a red candle yesterday. Hopefully that will be a bearish turn. And if we scroll down to the RSI, you'll see that it is overbought and has turned bearish. Both stochastics are also overbought and are turning bearish again. The volume chart really doesn't show us much. We've had average volume, which will, well, I'll get to that in a minute. But we'll move to the MACD lastly, and it does appear to have peaked and is starting to fall back towards zero. Now, regarding the volume chart, as I said, it really looks like this volume is nothing special. It blends right in with the general tone here of all the other bars. But if we scroll up here, as I pointed out previously on the annual chart, you have a run up in share price over the last couple of weeks. So where's the share price rise coming from when there is not increased buying pressure to support it? So that really feels like something is out of place between the buying and the share price, which again could present an opportunity for us to short the company. And if we switch over here to E-Trade, just take a brief look at the fundamentals from a very, very broad 10,000 foot overview. See, there's a moderate short interest at 4%. The debt to equity ratio here shows that it has less debt than 85% of its peers in the industry, which is good. But the other metrics do not paint the same picture. The company was not profitable last year, so can't get a PE. That's not good. The gross margin is less than 73% of other companies in the industry. The operating margin is less than 62% of other companies in the industry. So both are markedly below average. Return on equity, of course, it's negative because they didn't turn a profit. Is less than 61% of its competitors. The growth rate, the all-important growth of the future of the company here, less than 85% of other companies in the industry. So, with the exception of the debt, this is all bad. There's not a good metric here. We're turning to the chart here. We have all those very bad fundamental metrics, and yet we have the share price running higher and higher without buying volume to support it. So to me, this looks like Block is in store for a price collapse very soon. I would think it would pull back at the very least to $70 a share, or more likely below that. But I am curious to hear what any of you may think. Please leave your comments below. And if you got something out of the video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, please leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. And even if you prefer to tell me how wrong I am, you can leave that comment below as well. Also, if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using these indicators, mention that in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.